Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to install Google Translate on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open a browser on your PC. So I just opened my Chrome browser. So now what should you do? You just need to go on your search bar and type for translate.google.com. You just need to type translate.google.com, then search it. Okay, after search it, you can see Google Translate web page already opened on your browser. Then what should you do? You just need to go on the top right corner your browser, and there have a option three dot icon. Just select it, and then you need to select more tools option, and then you need to select create shortcut, and then you need to select open as Windows, then create, then cut everything, and now you can see Google Translate already on your PC homepage. So guys, in this way you can install Google Translate on your PC or laptop very easily. So guys, this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.